Yo, hello everybody, welcome back. It's Switch here with another lesson, Midjourney. Last two lessons is Ethic and AI Art. I'm just going to jump first to the TOYGERS app and just briefly tell you why you should go and play this game. So first thing first, you're just playing the game, you're just generating the points. Those points you are be able to use like in the same way like in the Amazon. So basically you will have lots of stuff on this app here. You will have lots of stuff. I'm just showing like on the screen, but obviously on your phone, then those points you are going to be able to use for jewelry, for toys, for clothes, for candle sets. Who knows, maybe going to be some perfumes. Definitely going to be much more toys than are in the app right now. Another thing, how to have points for free on daily basis. You have something like the toy builder. So you just need to log in for the first 20 days, and after 20 days you will get a toy builder which will give you 10,000 points per day, and you don't need to do anything at all. So 10 days is going to be 100,000 points, right? A month is going to be 300,000 points just for free, and then you'll be just able to withdraw or use those points within the app. You will just basically put your address. They have collaboration worldwide, so they're just gonna send you like super nice gift. That's why I'm talking about this app, because it's super amazing. On top of that, I will have 9% points of what you grinding on daily basis, which ultimately all those points which you can see right now, I have like 5.5 million points. I will basically try to get stuff for giveaway on this channel. So basically that's my idea. Another idea is to basically build my own toy within the TOYGERS app, so I can promote my brand and ultimately buy my own toy as well and put on the shelf. And it's like I'm super excited about this, but I can't really tell anything more to you just simply because we don't know yet right now. So it's hard to tell if we don't know, but the project itself sounds exciting. I hope it's going to be fucking massive and big. And with that being said, we're just gonna jump to the lesson, because like I said, I don't really want to talk a lot, because there's going to be like fuck loads of those videos on my channel. There's already playlist dedicated to the TOYGERS, because it's going to be fucking massive, and you will see. Right now it's around just 60,000 people monthly user, or 70,000 monthly people, so it's not really much. But that's the thing, like people just don't know how crazy this application going to be. I'm just the one who knows with those another 66,000 people monthly users, but well, might be sounds funny, like 66,000 people. It's not a lot, but yeah, it's like fuck all. It's like literally people just don't know there's going to be like free shit from this app, and then when they realize this, it's like it's not gonna be like that easy to get the points, because right now they're actually trying to hook you up with the things which they will basically make you on daily basis points, right? So you have like compound interest, so those points are going to stack. You probably be able to stack those points later on as well. So they trying for early users to promote the brand and give you as much as possible, and then half, I don't know, a year from now or a year from now, it's probably not gonna be like they're gonna give you anything for free. It is what it is. Okie dokie, listen to the lesson.
AI art compliance. As you create and sell your artwork, essential to understand and apply legal and ethical guidelines. Ensuring your creations comply with copyright laws and ethical standards will help you build a trustworthy and respected brand. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid understanding of the ethical considerations in AI art. Let's get started. Ethics in AI art involves respecting copyright laws, plagiarism, being mindful of the potential impacts of your creations. Let's explore these aspects in more detail. Copyright laws protect the rights of creators by giving them control over how their work is used. Using AI tools like Midjourney, it's important to ensure that the images and styles you create do not infringe on the rights of other artists. Plagiarism means creating original content, giving proper credit when using inspiration from existing works. Your credibility and shows respect for the creative community. Understanding copyright. Let's practice applying copyright principles in your AI art. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
And be honest with you, like nobody give a fuck. You just need to do this around, like how to do this. Like you basically finding some tool, you're just using that tool, and you genuinely after you creating that, you just need to sort of align with your vision, and then that's basically you. It's like not just creating something from AI and just everything what you create, it's just you're just pushing out as it's yours. Like you genuinely need to be excited about this. Like if I'm prompting something and I see it's like fucking rubbish, picture, whatever. I don't wanna, you know, push out the some shitty picture or whatever you're going to create. So just basically, I think that's like common sense, right? You just want to create something which you're excited about, and then just push as your product. Like nobody going to sort of know is it yours or not, because there's like everybody using AI these days. So there's like nothing wrong with using AI. You just need to be open-minded and just do super clever, super exciting prompts. Like I can prompt just from the top of my head, like lots of words, like 150, 200, and I'm usually doing that kind of prompts, like even asking or either editing something, and it's exciting because you're just realizing, excuse me, you're just realizing like sometimes you are able to prompt like one sentence and you will end up with much better picture than actually sometimes when you're prompting the 150 or 200 words, but that's not the rule, because might be totally other way around. That's why you should test. You should just find out what program liked what kind of prompts, if that makes sense. I mean, that makes sense for me, because if you will use the various of programs, some programs are like super short prompts, and some programs like super long prompts. Anyway, so there's not really much to press here. Just one thing: a unique landscape. Oh, original, looks nice.
Avoiding plagiarism. Now, let's practice creating original content and giving proper credit. Now it's time to put your knowledge.
Okay. So we have what we have: a surreal landscape inspired by Salvador Dali, inspired by Salvador Dali. So yeah, that looks cool, looks super amazing.
Building a trustworthy brand. Understanding and applying ethical guidelines will help you build a trustworthy brand. Clients and customers appreciate creators who respect copyright laws and produce original content. Highlight your commitment to ethics in your portfolio and marketing materials. This will not only build trust, but also attract clients who value integrity and originality. Ethical standards will help you build a reputation as a responsible and respected artist. Congratulations! Mastered the ethical considerations of AI art. Learned how to ensure your creations comply with copyright laws, avoid plagiarism, build a trustworthy brand. Next steps. In the next lesson, we'll explore advanced Discord features for engagement. Keep practicing and refining your skills.
Okie dokie, thank you much guys for watching. I'm actually super excited. It's going to be next lesson is going to be last lesson from the Midjourney. Also, like this Midjourney course, within that Coursiv is like the best course ever, because there's lots of pictures in it, and it's like super fun to play with, super fun to basically learn from this. The ChatGPT is not so much, it's kind of boring because it's just prompting, so it's not really that exciting. But anyway, tomorrow is going to be the last lesson, advanced Discord features, which I don't know, it's going to be advanced or not. Usually it's not. Usually it will be basics in Discord. But anyway, stay tuned for this one, and take care, and bye for now.